Fanvue is generating mixed reviews, raising questions about its reliability for content creators. Some users are reporting difficulties with withdrawals, with extended review periods for payout accounts causing concern. One user expressed frustration at a 2-week delay despite assurances of a 5-day review process. This has led some to suspect that Fanvue might be a scam. Conversely, other creators report positive experiences. One user states that Fanvue is their main platform and suggests contacting support to review their issues. However, there are also concerns about customer service with reports of unresponsiveness and delays in verification process. The discussion also explores alternative platforms. Loyal Fans is mentioned as a favorable option, praised for its support, video tutorials, and features. Fansly is also highlighted for its customization and continuous improvements. Unlocked is criticized for its poor functionality and lack of updates. OnlyFans is mentioned, but some creators avoid it due to its reputation and concerns about accounts deletion. There are also concerns about Fanvue's handling of AI content, with questions raised about their verification process. The overall sentiment is that while Fanvue may have potential, it's important to be aware of the reported issues with withdrawals and customer service. As with any platform, it is recommended to do thorough research and consider alternative options.